Hey everyone, huge news today from Spain and Portugal. On Monday, a massive blackout hit almost every corner of Spain and Portugal, leaving nearly 60 million people without electricity, internet, and communications. Airports halted, trains stranded, mobile phones disconnected. It was chaos. Now power has mostly returned, but here's the unsettling part. No one knows exactly what caused this blackout. Spanish and Portuguese authorities initially suggested technical issues, citing extreme temperature variations causing faults in the power grid. But this explanation isn't sitting well with everyone. Speculation quickly surfaced. Could it have been a massive cyber attack? Considering Spain's recent role supporting Ukraine and increasing cyber threats from hacking groups connected to Russia, this possibility seems real enough that Spain's High Court has opened an official investigation into potential cyber interference. The truth is, in an increasingly connected world, cyber attacks are a real threat. And whether or not this specific blackout was due to hackers, it's clear our digital safety isn't guaranteed. So how can you protect yourself? Always have reliable digital tools that secure your online connection. One tool I personally trust and recommend is NordVPN. With NordVPN, your online data is encrypted and secured, keeping you protected even in chaotic situations like massive outages or suspected cyber threats. You get lightning-fast Nord link speed, strong security features, and access to over 7,400 servers in 118 countries. Right now, I've got a special discount link for you. Get your Plus plan for $4 per month and 3 extra months free. Don't wait for the next incident to happen. Grab your special NordVPN deal in the description below and stay ahead of the threats. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you in the next video.